Are you ready? Let's go! Adventure starts right now! Hooray! Adventure time! Velvet, are you trying to tell me something? The mailman! Let me check! Our passports? It has my picture! I heard the doorbell! Let's see who it is!
Here we go. Smiles for everyone. Madison and McKenzie. Adventure time is fun. Go, go, let's go. Every day's brand new. Madison, McKenzie. And Velvet loves you too.
Mommy, we played our best today. I almost scored another goal.
I'm so proud of both of you. Let's go inside. Go get cleaned up. When you come back, I'm going to teach you how I make my famous fried corn.
Really? We get to help?
Every great family recipe begins with helping hands. Today we're using fresh corn. First, we carefully cut the corn off the cob.
I'll go slow and be careful. I didn't know corn grew on a cob.
Every recipe teaches us something new. Dinner is almost ready. I can already smell Grandpa's barbecue. And our fried corn is almost finished.
Everything looks so pretty. I can't wait to
Beautiful table shows our family how much we love being together.
Gigi, this fried corn is so delicious.
One day I'll teach you my secret recipe.
I'm going to make it just like Gigi.
Now that's how family traditions begin.
Tonight wasn't just about dinner. It was about making another family memory. And the best family traditions begin with love.
I can't wait to see what memory we make next.
See you on our next adventure. Bye, friends!